Let's add up the money here. How much we got going on? How much we got going on here? What do they pay you guys to babysit? Come on, he's a 2-year cop. Benefits and stuff, what? Probably about $140. How about you? You here? Oh, you're here to babysit him. Is that what it is? You're here to babysit him? Officer Whitfield, how come you're so quiet today? You tried to assault me 3 times a couple weeks ago, man. You remember that? You remember it too, don't you? Because you just guys sit there, ignore crimes. Bye-bye. You're dismissed. To go hide in secret.